Welcome, fam. Are you feeling slow, heavy, or out of sync? When your core is asleep and your hips are tight, everything feels harder. This 5-minute flow wakes them both up, gently, powerfully, and with control. Let's hit the mat. If your day starts from your spine and hips, this move builds that fire from the inside out. Begin in a strong plank, wrists on the shoulders, core engaged. Slowly lift one leg, hold at the top, then lower with control. Alternate legs for the full minute, no rushing. You're going to feel a glute activation, core tension, control through the hips. This creates immediate awareness in your core and glutes. I promise your posture will feel stronger in minutes. We're about to bring that focus to the ground, where isolation reveals the truth. Can you pause for full 2 seconds at the top of each raise? Is your core helping, or are your hips taking shortcuts? That just lit up your midline. Now let's bring focus to each side individually. True strength starts when we isolate. This move exposes imbalances and fixes them. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet hip width. Extend one leg straight, drive through the opposite heel to lift your hips. Lower with control and alternate. You're going to feel an activation through the glutes and hamstrings of the grounded leg. This builds bulletproof glutes that protect your spine, knees, and hips. I promise you'll feel more grounded immediately. This move improves balance, power, and injury resistance, especially for runners and lifters. Add a 3-second hold at the top of each rep. Count it out. Are you staying level or twisting through the hips? That just powered up each side. Now let's test hip extension and control. Your hips hold your posture, your stride, your story. This move helps rewrite it. Start kneeling upright, slowly squeeze glutes to drive hips forward again. Repeat. You can feel a stretch in the quads, activation of the glutes, and a lower core. This opens up the front of the body while building control through the hips. I promise your stride will feel free after this. Next, we target rotation and side-to-side hip stability, where control gets tested. Can you move without using momentum? Are your glutes leading, or are your quads taking over? That just unlocked the hip drive. Now let's rotate and stabilize. Most people ignore the outer glutes until imbalance causes pain. Not today. On all fours, lift one leg out to the side like you're at a fire hydrant. Keep your core tight and hip square. Lower and repeat for 30 seconds, then switch. You're going to feel your glute medius firing, hip control being tested. This locks in lateral stability, the kind that prevents falls, boosts athleticism, and sharpens posture. These small muscles do the big work. They stabilize every step you take. Hold at the top of each lift for 2 full seconds. Are you leading from the hip or swinging with your spine? That just activated your stabilizers. Now let's fully open the hips. We end where the tension hides deepest. This is where release turns into restoration. From all fours, bring one knee forward, shin angled toward front of the mat. Extend the opposite leg back, lower your chest, breathe into the stretch. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You can feel the deep stretch in the hip, glute, and outer thigh. This resets everything: tension, asymmetry, and residual tightness. You'll walk lighter, I guarantee it. You just activated and restored your foundation. That's how powerful this flow is. Drop into the stretch 10% deeper. Breathe into it for 5 more seconds. Are you softening into the pose or bracing against it? That just released your foundation. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily spread flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. All delivered daily to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.